Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Mediapad T5, and today I would like to show you how you can add an audio file to text message. Start by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. When you're ready, tap on this plus at the bottom left corner of chat window and tap on those three dots over here. Now just tap on Audio File section. Click on the one that you wish to add. And last but not least, to attach it, select this check mark at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my audio file was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!